Well, would you look at that sunset? Well, we just finished work. I was supposed to finish at 4 p.m., but then got asked to stay back, and my shift ended up being carried on until the finish time, which was 6. So, work's finished, which means we're going to do something special. It's time for gym. Today, it's just going to be simple, nice and simple. We're gonna do our arms today. Triceps, biceps. After that, we will rest up and get ready for the next day. Get ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow, I think we might do legs. We might train legs tomorrow, but we'll see, because 1, I hate legs. 2, I'm not sure if, you know what? No excuses. I'll see you tomorrow. We're doing legs tomorrow. Oh well. Better get out of here. I'll see you guys at the gym. Come on, man. I can't believe it. I forgot that my gym is closed. As you can see, let me zoom in on the gates. It's closed. I can't believe I forgot. So my gym closes at 12 p.m. on the weekend. It is Saturday, the 13th of January, and I was so excited. So excited to get some work in. You know, make it 4 days this week, because I've only done 3 days this week. No! Anyway, I drove into the car park and I saw there were no cars, and I was like, oh no. Oh, I can't believe it. I forgot. So what are we going to do now? Since we are doing arms, I guess we can do it at home. We could do it at home. We got some weights at home, and that should be good enough, actually. So yeah. That's disappointing. I actually forgot. Enough of that. Let's go home. We literally just arrived at home, and you know what we're gonna do. We're here to train. So I'm just gonna get warmed up and get right into it. So the sun is setting. It's starting to get dark. So this video is gonna be a bit dark. You better get started. I've got a 10-kilo plate, and I'm gonna do some tricep extensions. Don't really know the name of this, but we're starting with the triceps for this workout. This will be my warm-up set. I've already lost count. Oh man, I feel good. This workout is brought to you by 50s music. That's what I'm listening to right now through my earbud. Whew. Mr. Sandman, bring me a dream. I don't know how to sing the correct lyrics. Oh yeah. Oh wait. Very nice, very nice. That's our warm-up set. Bad news. My dad took the dumbbells inside. So our dumbbells is like the little bar, and then you can put the weights on and screw them on. So I was planning to put a 10 and a 5 onto that bar so I can hold the dumbbell, and do some 15 kilos. But we don't have that option, so we're going to use a 15 kilo plate. A little bit more inconvenient, but we'll do it. Woo! Oh man! Ah! My neck is so tense. Ah! I'm Mr. Lonely. I have nobody. Ah! Woo! Ah! Was gotta get one more. Ah! I think I'm getting a bit too carried away because even though I'm not in the gym, I know that I can make as much noise as I want, but maybe we should dial it back. This 15 kilo weight is actually pretty hard. We'll try to do some more of these. Ah! No, one more. Focusing on the eccentric, slowing the weight down as much as possible on the way down as the muscle lengthens. I think we'll do one more set of eccentrics and then we'll lighten it down to 10 and start doing some proper reps. That was our second working set. Yeah. You know, we have another option actually. We can increase the weight. This is a 15. We can go up to 20 and use both arms. These 20 kilo plates are the heaviest plates that we have at home. One more. Aya! I think this is going to be the only tricep exercise we'll be doing because we don't have tricep push downs. Maybe we could do some tricep focused push ups. We might do that. We'll do that last so we can get the chest to help out. I haven't done. It's been so long since I've done push ups. And I don't train my chest. Hardly train my chest. So I'm probably going to struggle to get even one push up out by the time I get to the end of the workout. But yeah, I think we'll do another set of two hand. Whew. Yeah, maybe two more sets, and then we'll go back to one arm with the 10 kilo. We'll see how we go. Dream, 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 dream. When I love you in my arms and oh, starting to feel the struggle. Oh, even doing that. That's a good thing. So maybe a good thing to do in this case is to drop it down to 15 for both arms. 15. I think something I can do to improve is when I've finally reached my last rep and I've squeezed it out to the top, I need to challenge myself to lower it back down slowly to do one last eccentric, rather than just dropping it at that point of the work. At that point of the set, it's quite hard to push yourself to. Well, for me, I usually just squeeze out the last rep and oh, thank you, finished. Oh my goodness, 10 kilos, 10 kilos single arm. I'm so shaky, even from my legs. I also am so shaky that my shoulders are like popping around in there. Ouch! Ah, can't even hold it up there. One more. All right. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. We're almost finished with the triceps. Feel like this workout has been really short so far because I haven't been resting that much. So once I have recovered, I'll do some push-ups. Ooh. Oh yeah. That was fairly quick, but that should be enough for the triceps. We're gonna do some bicep work. I'll be doing some barbell curls today. Nothing fancy, just a bunch of curls today. So we won't be training the most effective way, but we are getting some training in. And either way, I think as long as you're challenging yourself and you push yourself through enough working sets, then you'll see growth regardless of what kind of curl you're doing. I'm gonna curl some 10 plates, 10 kilo plates. Right. Man, even just one set of those 10 kilo plates feel quite a pump going on. Moving on to the second set, all we've done is put the 10 kilo plates onto the bar, so that the weight of the bar will add a small amount onto the total weight. Now that's the first working set done. Next, I'm going to raise I'm going to raise the bar up to a total of 30 kilos. Well, I don't actually know the weight of the bar, so it's 30 plus the bar. I don't think this bar is 20 kilos, so let's see, let's do it. You know that warm-up set we did? 10 kilos on each side. No, not each side of the barbell. 10 kilo plates in each hand. I'm just going to count that as a working set, which means we've done 3 so far. And I think I'm going to do one more working set, and then a finisher set. Still a working set, but this set's going to be 220s on each side of the bar, and I'm allowed. The point is to cheat it on the way up so I can lower the bar as slow as I can, as many times as I can. One more working set, then the finisher set. I sure would like some water right now. Too bad my phone's being propped up by my bottle right now. Oh well, better get this over with. Good news. We got one more set. It's the finisher set. All right. We've done it. We've made it to the end of the workout. Nice and quick. Nice and quick. My arms are shaking. That can only be a good thing. So, just going to go inside, shower, and get ready for the next day. Got work tomorrow, and yeah, we'll see if we train. Maybe not. If not, then 4 days this week. That's pretty good. Now, I'm gonna say it again. We're aiming for consistency here. Next week, it's got to be at least three sessions. If I feel like more, then yeah, good on ya. But at least 3. Need to get through it, and if we can stay consistent, then before I know it, I'm going to be seeing some big improvements. I think one of the things I really need to work on is running, and so like sprinting, long distance running. I really need to work on that more. So that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If I don't see you tomorrow, then have a great weekend. I'll see you next week. Hopefully tomorrow, maybe. We'll see. See ya.